them.
The working?
This is my mate Keith. He loved farming. He's been farming for a long time. He loves the bloody sheep, but he can't catch them like he used to. He's going spearfishing now, look. With angle beads. My mate Nick in there, he loves building boats. He's been doing it for years.
Yeah.
He spent 50,000.
Same boat though.
Same boat. He spent 50,000 on parts. He could have bought a new one by now. There he is, look. He's in a hurry. He looks like the Serbian general. He loves being a Serbian. Here's my mate, Mr. Tomo. Look, he's doused a bloody
long stocking.